Hi there. I wanted to talk to you about this great app. It's not cheese this time. It's an app called guvcview, and I think it's pretty much more of a remake of lovecview, which is much more terminal based. But this one is very much useful in terms of user interface. You have image control, video and file control, and audio control. So you have more control than the previous app that I talked about a while back, which was called Cheese. This one here in particular has really nifty effects that you can put in. For example, you got the mirror like normally what you'll have in Cheese, I believe. You can move yourself around. You also have invert. You got that little upside down kind of a thing. I'm gonna fall down kind of a thing. And then there's also the negative part. This is how it looks in terms of negative. You can take that off. And the mono, which is black and white. Then the other thing that you also have is this thing called pieces, which is something like this. See? Can you see me? There I am. Yep, here I am. Ta-da! The other thing that it has is also has some really kind of strange little audio effects as well. You can put in the echo, which sounds kind of like this. This is the echo. Echo. And then you also have the ducky effect. Let's see what ducky effect does. I'm sure I'll see it once I see the reproduction of this video.
This is the ducky effect. Ducky.
You have also the other audio effect called fuzz. Let's check out fuzz.
This is fuzz. Fuzz.
That was fuzz there. Reverb. Hello there. How you doing? This is reverb. And then you have the wah wah, which I guess is supposed to be some baby stuff or something. I don't know. But let's try it out. This is wah wah. This is wah wah. Wah wah. And that pretty much cuts it down. So I don't know if they have a Windows version, but I know that for Linux you have this really cool app which you have more control things, and no doubt Windows will probably try to make a duplicate of it somewhere or another one from the creative cast of Windows. If you need some kind of a free alternative applications that you would like to have rather than go out there into the proprietary market and buy something that will probably cost you hundreds of dollars, check out www.sourceforge.com. It's a very rare website, but you look around and it will show you all the available applications that are out there for free download. You like organizing your desktop? In Windows, check out this app called Crento. Another one that I like is called A Note. They're very nifty apps. Crentos is for basically like a ring of some kind that you can rotate, and you can put your little shortcuts in there rather than having them on the desktop. And you can make it visible or invisible, so you just call it out when you need it. It takes, it takes a little challenge to getting used to it, but once you get an idea of it, or what it is, you'll probably figure out why wasn't without this one in the first place. Another one, the other one I was talking about, A Note, is pretty much like a little thing, like basically like a note kind of a thing. You write little notes, and they kind of like glide themselves to the right side of your desktop. You need them back again, click on them, they pop up in the center. And then click on the minimizer and they glide back into the left side. Pretty nifty stuff. I use it constantly at work. I get my boss asking me, how do I do that? Boy, you have too much time on your hands, but not at all. Not at all, really. It's just that I'm more organized with how I do things. And if you're one of those people that like to be productive in certain things, by all means, I'm here to give you ideas where you can find pretty nifty stuff like that that can make you be more productive. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this now, and if you're interested in other apps, I'll see what I can find and gives you a heads up. All right then, later.